Hi guys, this is Kunj Padal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then subscribe now to learn new design in AutoCAD. I will teach you how to do the 2D drawing of this part in AutoCAD. So first of all, let's start with this AutoCAD. Grade mode off. Orthogon on. ISO draft on. First of all, UCS icon fixed. First of all, I will choose line command. This dimension is 100 mm. I will zoom it. Again, line command choose. This dimension is 30 mm. Again, line command choose. Upper direction is dimension 50 mm. Now 30 mm. Then connect it. Again, line command choose this dimension is upper direction is 10 mm, 30 mm, then connect it. Again, line command choose this dimension is 60 mm, then connect it. Again, extend the line 100 mm. Now again, line command choose this dimension is 30 mm. Then connect it. Now again, line command choose this dimension is 50 mm. Now again, line command choose this dimension is 10 mm. 10 mm, 10 mm, and again 10 mm. Again, center the line through here. All the parts select it and move here, center to center. This line is delete. Again, all part is selected. Copy command choose. Upper direction is 5 mm. Again, connect the line. Unwanted line is trim it. So trim command use. Now again, line command choose. This dimension is 15 mm. I will choose axis end command. I enter. Click here. Position change. D diameter 20 mm. This line is deleted. This circle is copied to upper direction is 5 mm. Line command choose. Quadrant to quadrant connect. Quadrant to quadrant connect. Unwanted line is trim it. So trim command use. Again, line command choose. This dimension is 30 mm. Upper direction is 10 mm. Left side direction is 30 mm. Then 15 mm. Again 15 mm. Then connect it. Again, line command choose. This line and this line is connected. This line is copied to another side. So copy command choose. This line and this line is connected. All the parts selected and move here, center to center. Unwanted line is trim it. So trim command use. Again, line command, choose center line draw here. Again, exit ends command, choose I, enter, center here, position change, D, diameter 50 mm. This line is delete. If this circle is copied to this direction is 20 mm. Now line command, choose quadrant to quadrant, connect it. Again line command, choose quadrant to quadrant, connect it. So unwanted line is trim it, trim command use. Unwanted line is trim it. This line and this line is delete. So our drawing is complete. Now I will give the dimension. So align dimension 30 mm, 100 mm, 10 mm, 15 mm, 60 mm, 30 mm, 30 mm, 10 mm, 10 mm, 10 mm, 5 mm, 15 mm. So our drawing is completed. Now I will choose span command, center here. So our drawing is completed with given dimension. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.